use a small concealer brush to press concealer onto the problem areas. I'm using the medium shade on this concealer wheel. If you have blackheads, this can be hidden with a concealer, but note that they can't completely disappear by applying makeup. If that's done, that will require super heavy coverage. Next, blend the concealer with a blending sponge, popularly called beauty blender. Moisten the sponge with a makeup spray or water and tap gently to blend the concealer. If you are working on a client, scoop out required amount onto the back of your hand to warm it up and pick with a concealer brush. But if you apply directly from the container and double dip, ensure you sanitize after the makeup application before using on another client. A little concealer was also applied under the eyes to lightly cover my model's dark circles. You can apply and reapply concealer as required and blend into the skin. The concealer I used here is cream based. I'm gently reapplying the concealer onto our under eye area and then blend with the beauty blender. I'm also going to use a little concealer around the lip area, and I'm making sure the whole look is natural, and I'm not pulling up the concealer towards the lower lash line to avoid creasing later on. I want everything to look natural. If the concealer is yours, you can apply directly from the container.